Hi everyone, welcome to Multidimensional. In today's video we would be watching over the longest train journeys in the world. Let's get into it. Traveling by train shows you the world up close, changing landscapes, cultures, and time zones. Here are the 15 longest train journeys on Earth. 15. Adler to Tomsk, Russia. 3,149 miles in 4 days, from the sunny Black Sea coast to Siberia's university town, Tomsk. 14. Moscow to Ulan-Ude, Russia. 3,417 miles to the edge of Mongolia. Expect Buddhist temples, Russian Mongolian culture, and Lake Baikal views. 13. Moscow to Severodvinsk, Russia. 3,446 miles in 3.5 days. This train dives deep into northern Lake Baikal via the remote Baikal-Amur mainline. 12. Irkutsk to Anapa, Russia. 3,726 miles linking Siberia's chill to Anapa's sunny Black Sea beaches. A popular summer escape. 11. Moscow to Chita, Russia. 3,856 miles in 4.5 days. From Moscow's buzz to Siberia's quiet forests and Far Eastern Gateway. 10. Adler to Severodvinsk, Russia. 4,276 miles over 5 days, from beach vibes to icy Lake Baikal's edge. A true cross-country ride. 9. Moscow to Nariungri, Russia. 4,320 miles into Yakutia, Russia's frozen frontier. Only one carriage goes all the way through. 8. Chita to Anapa, Russia. 4,393 miles in 5.5 days. From Siberia to the southern seaside, summer travelers love it. 7. Chita to Adler, Russia. 4,662 miles across mountains, plains, and coastlines in 6 days. A massive scenic ride. 6. Kislovodsk to Tinda, Russia. 4,805 miles from the Caucasus to Russia's wild east. One carriage, many trains, 6 unforgettable days. 5. Moscow to Beijing via Ulaanbaatar. 4,863 miles in 5.5 days through Mongolia's Gobi Desert and scenic Siberia. A bucket list adventure. 4. Moscow to Beijing via Harbin. 5,584 miles in 7 days. A northern route into China with a dramatic shift from forests to cityscapes. 3. Moscow to Vladivostok, Russia. 5,780 miles. The famous Trans-Siberian. 1 week across all of Russia, from Europe to the Pacific. 2. Moscow to Pyongyang, North Korea. 6,380 miles in 8.5 days. One of the rarest trips, spanning 7 time zones with no train change. 1. Lagos, Portugal, to Singapore. 11,655 miles across 13 countries in 21 days. From Europe to Southeast Asia, this is the longest train journey on the planet. Want more epic stories? Hit like and subscribe for more from around the globe.